Have you ever looked at an old, scratched table, or a discarded wooden chair, and wondered if it could become something beautiful again? Hello there. Welcome back to Cookie Decor, where we believe every piece of wood has a second story waiting to be told. In today's video, turning old discarded wood furniture into functional home decor ideas for high-demand markets, we are diving into the exciting world of upcycling where creativity meets sustainability and passion turns into profit. Instead of throwing away worn-out furniture, we'll explore how to transform it into stunning, functional decor pieces that people truly love and are actively searching for. With the rising demand for eco-friendly home decor, rustic finishes, farmhouse charm, and modern handcrafted furniture, there has never been a better time to give old wood a new purpose. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a beginner in woodworking, or someone looking to start a small creative business, this video is packed with inspiration and practical ideas you can actually use. You'll discover how simple design upgrades, smart refinishing techniques, and a touch of creativity can turn discarded furniture into beautiful, market-ready decor. These are not just craft ideas, they are opportunities to create high-value pieces that stand out in today's competitive home decor market. At Cookie Decor, we are all about transforming ordinary materials into extraordinary design sustainably, affordably, and stylishly. So grab your tools, bring your creativity, and let's breathe new life into old wood together. If you love creative furniture makeovers and profitable decor ideas, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Let's turn forgotten furniture into functional art. Creative wood furniture upcycling is more than just a trend, it's a powerful way to turn overlooked, damaged, or discarded pieces into beautiful, functional designs that bring warmth and personality into any home. At Cookie Decor, we believe that every scratch, dent, and faded finish tells a story, and with a little creativity, that story can continue in a whole new form. Upcycling wooden furniture allows you to preserve quality craftsmanship from the past while adapting it to modern styles like rustic farmhouse, minimalist, industrial, or Scandinavian-inspired decor. Instead of spending large amounts of money on brand new furniture, you can transform old tables, chairs, cabinets, bed frames, and wooden shelves into statement pieces that look custom-made. The beauty of upcycling lies in imagination. An outdated dresser can become a stylish TV console, an old door can turn into a unique dining table, and wooden drawers can be repurposed into wall-mounted storage units. Even small scraps of wood from broken furniture can be reassembled into floating shelves, wall art, or decorative organizers. For beginners, the most important step is learning to see potential instead of flaws. A cracked surface can be sanded smooth, a dull finish can be refreshed with stain or paint, and loose joints can be tightened with simple tools. Starting small builds confidence, so choose manageable projects like refinishing a side table or converting a wooden crate into a storage bench before attempting larger transformations. Budget-friendly woodworking begins with smart sourcing. Look for free or inexpensive furniture through local listings, yard sales, thrift stores, or neighbors who plan to throw items away. Often, solid wood pieces are discarded simply because they look outdated, not because they lack durability. Choosing solid wood instead of particle board ensures your effort results in a long-lasting, high-quality piece. Once you bring a piece home, begin by cleaning it thoroughly with mild soap and water to remove dirt and grease. Sanding is the next essential step, And you don't need expensive equipment. Simple sandpaper in different grits can smooth surfaces and prepare the wood for paint or stain. Taking your time during preparation makes the final finish look more professional. When refinishing, beginners can save money by choosing water-based stains and paints, which are affordable, easy to apply, and quick to dry. Chalk paint is another beginner-friendly option because it requires minimal preparation and gives furniture a charming matte finish perfect for rustic or farmhouse interiors. Applying a protective sealant afterward increases durability and extends the life of your project. Replacing hardware is a small upgrade that creates a big impact. Switching old drawer handles and knobs with modern black metal, matte gold, or brushed brass options instantly refreshes a piece without major cost. Creative upcycling can also involve combining materials. Pairing wood with metal legs, glass tops, or woven baskets can give old furniture a completely modern feel. If you're working with limited tools, focus on projects that require minimal cutting and advanced joinery. For example, stacking wooden crates to create shelving, repainting and distressing an old coffee table, or attaching hairpin legs to a reclaimed wood slab are simple yet stylish ideas. These beginner projects help you gain confidence while producing impressive results. Another budget-friendly tip is to work with the natural character of the wood instead of hiding it. Knots, grain patterns, and slight imperfections add charm and uniqueness, making your finished piece look artisanal rather than factory-made. When repairing cracks or holes, affordable wood filler can restore smoothness before painting, and clamps are invaluable for holding pieces steady while glue dries. Planning your design before starting saves both time and money. Sketch your idea, measure carefully, and calculate materials to avoid unnecessary purchases. Beginners should invest gradually in essential tools such as a hammer, screwdriver set, measuring tape, level, drill, and basic clamps. You don't need a fully equipped workshop to begin creating stunning transformations. As your skills grow, you can experiment with techniques like whitewashing, distressing edges, layering paint for a vintage look, or applying protective oils for a natural finish. Safety should always come first, so wear protective gloves, safety glasses, and a dust mask while sanding or cutting wood. Taking precautions ensures your creative journey remains enjoyable and safe. One of the most rewarding aspects of wood furniture upcycling is the ability to customize pieces to fit specific spaces. If you live in a small apartment, you can turn a bulky cabinet into a slim storage unit, create foldable wall desks from reclaimed panels, or design multifunctional benches with hidden storage. These practical solutions add both style and functionality to modern homes. Many beginners also discover that upcycling can become a profitable side business. Unique, handcrafted furniture pieces attract buyers who appreciate sustainability and originality. Neutral tones like white, beige, grey, and natural wood finishes tend to appeal to a wider audience, while bold accent colors can help statement pieces stand out in the market. Before we continue, take a quick moment to support Cookie Decor by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who loves DIY furniture transformations. Your support helps us create more inspiring woodworking tutorials and budget-friendly ideas for beginners just like you. Now, let's explore even more creative possibilities. Furniture flipping with minimal structural changes can be incredibly effective. Sometimes sanding, fresh paint, and updated hardware is all a piece needs. You can also combine parts from different discarded items, such as table legs from one piece and a tabletop from another, to create something entirely original. Layering textures adds visual interest. Try mixing smooth finishes with lightly distressed edges, or adding subtle stenciled designs for an artistic touch. Don't be afraid of small mistakes. Imperfections often add personality and authenticity to handmade pieces. Every project teaches valuable lessons and builds your skills. Maximize materials by repurposing leftover wood into smaller decor items like candle holders, key racks, plant stands, or picture frames. Organizing your workspace and labeling hardware during disassembly prevents frustration and wasted time. These simple habits make a big difference, especially for beginners. Experimenting with eco-friendly finishes like natural oils or beeswax polish enhances wood grain while maintaining sustainability. Break larger projects into smaller tasks over several days to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Step-by-step progress keeps the process enjoyable and manageable. Inspiration can come from interior design trends, nature's textures, or your own imagination. Over time, you'll develop your personal style, whether it's clean modern lines, cozy rustic charm, or bold statement designs. Creative wood furniture upcycling is both practical and deeply fulfilling because it combines savings, sustainability, and self-expression. Here at Décor, our mission is to inspire you to see possibilities where others see waste. Turning forgotten wood into functional art is not just about decor, it's about creativity, resourcefulness, and building something meaningful with your own hands. Thank you for spending your creative time with Décor. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep building with passion. Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community of makers who believe in turning old wood into beautiful new beginnings. Let's continue creating, inspiring, and transforming one piece at a time.